Two sides to every story, that's what we hear. Life's not that simple, and things aren't that clear. I beg to differ, yes, I disagree. There is right and wrong, freedom ain't free. The men that serve this country should never live on the street. They should never go hungry without food to eat. They should be first in line to get the help that they need, 'cause they're the real heroes, and freedom ain't free. Where would we be without the price that they've paid? Could you sleep at night and know your family is safe? It's the sweat on their brow, it's the blood that they bleed. Don't take it for granted, 'cause freedom ain't free. If it's we the people, there's some things we should do. It all comes down to one's just like you. I'll take a stand. No, you won't tread on me. You won't change my country. Freedom ain't free. Where would we be without the price that they've paid? Could you sleep at night and know your family is safe? It's the sweat on their brow, it's the blood that they bleed. Don't take it for granted, 'cause freedom ain't free. You can die on your feet, or you can live on your knees, but you can't have both. Freedom ain't free. Don't take it for granted, 'cause freedom ain't free. Through the roof, gun control is on the rise. We make our ends meet, take what we need to survive. When shot, one kill is such a thrill. That's the way that I was raised. When I pick up a gun, I hit right where I aim. It's time to take a stand. It's time to draw the line. You better bring yours when you come to take mine. Granddaddy taught my daddy how to hunt and how to fish, how to be a man. Don't take any lip. Raised up on a good book, learned about the land. They grew what they ate, they didn't get it from Uncle Sam. It's time to take a stand. It's time to draw the line. You better bring yours when you come to take mine. So go and round up all them Yankee boys, get ready for a fight. I'll round up all my rebel friends, meet you at the Mason-Dixon line. 'Cause the South is gonna rise again. No, we're not the running kind. You better bring yours when you come to take mine. It's not really about North or South, it's about red, white, and blue. I'll fight beside any Yankee man if he feels like I do. We'll stand here today and we'll proudly say to the man in the suit and tie, you better bring yours when you come to take mine. So go and round up all them Yankee boys, get ready for a fight. You might have won that war back in 1865, but the South is gonna rise again. No, we're not the running kind. You better bring yours when you come to take mine. You better bring yours when you come to take mine. You can bring yours. Mr. President, you ain't taking mine. Real outlaws, sinners and saints. Some boys can and some boys can't. Some guys like girly drinks. You should have been a redneck. You see these kids with their pants down low, think they're cool 'cause their underwear show. Pull up your pants, son, you should have been a redneck. Toe up down on the bank, listening to some Haggard, Skinner and Hang. If you wanna fight, he's ready to brawl. You should have been a redneck. Toe to toe, man to man, whoop your ass so we can be friends. It's up to you, son, you should have been a redneck. All day, plays all night, kick a man's ass twice his size. You can count on that, son, you should have been a redneck. We got some in the Army, Some in the Corps, still kicking ass, still remember what for. The USA, son, you should have been a redneck. Tore up down on the bank, listening to some Haggard, Skinner and Hank. If you wanna fight, he's ready to brawl. You should have been a redneck. Toe to toe, man to man, whoop your ass so we can be friends. It's up to you, son, you should have been a redneck. Two things can happen here. I can stop your ass, son. We can have ourselves a beer. But I'm not a beer boy. You should have been a redneck. Tore up down on the bank, listening to some Haggard, Skinner and Hank. If you wanna fight, he's ready to brawl. You should have been a redneck. Toe to toe, man to man, whoop your ass so we can be friends. It's up to you, son, you should have been a redneck.
Hey everybody, it's Redneck Renegade. Getting some handles turned for our Handles for Heroes. Got a little over 5 hours on the lathe today, so that was pretty good. They all got conchos in them. They got the Texas Star $50 and Scott F. This set here of bullets with the octagon ferro rod and these U.S. Army conchos, those are for your son, so let me know if those are good. And this set here is some mahogany sent to me by Ron T. Sawyer. Here's some Coco Bolo by the Crazy Scotchman. We got some Ambrosia Maple from Ron T. Sawyer, and we got some Sapel from Michael Bruner. And all the ferro rods, of course, are Nathan 4071. The strikers are from Plain Old Chuck. So a nice community effort to come together for our heroes. Let me get a little closer. That's Sapel, some pretty stuff. Oh, beautiful wood. And one last thing, I don't know how you firebugs out there like me, but every time I see a thing of pitch, I grab it. So I got this tin here, kind of compared to my hand. Probably got about 2 pounds of pitch in there. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet, melt it down, or I don't know, just burn it for a fire starter. But anyhow, hope you all having a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.